Hello there everybody, back again with another short little video on the Icom IC-7300, and in this short clip we're going to have a look at the spectrum scope waterfall. A handy little feature on it, which the edge button here, the band edge. So what we can see here now, it's showing us from 7 megs to about 7.2 here. Now these are all fully adjustable. You can go into the menu in the radio and change these. I'll show you how to do that in a later video. So all you have to do really is just press the edge button here. If we press it once, it shows us a slightly wider view of that same slice there, and I have it set then on the third position to show me from 7.125 all the way up to 7.2. I just find it handier because initially I always used to look at the full band in the scope from 7 to 7.2, and the traces on the waterfall would just look a bit narrow and kind of hard to see. So at least if you do it this way, things are a little easier to see. Yeah, that's the way to do it. Delta Lima 8, don't bother with the rest of it. So just another handy little tip on the 7300. If you've had it for a while or you've just got one recently, the idea of these videos is just kind of to show you quick little things that you can do to make life a bit easier for yourself. So 7.3, and thanks for watching. This is George, EI 7 Kilo Oscar 7.3. Bye bye.